All right, in this problem, we're solving a fraction word problem using a linear equation of the form ax equals b. So our problem says that Chow needs to memorize words on a vocabulary list for Korean class. He has memorized 15 of the words, which is 1/3 of the list. We need to find out how many words are on the list. So that's going to be x. X is going to represent our unknown, how many words are on the list. Okay, he's memorized 15 of the words, which is 1/3 of the list. So 1/3 of the list equals 15. 1/3 of the list is 15. He's memorized 15 of the words, which is 1/3 of the list. So now we have to solve this problem. We have 1/3 times x equals 15. We have to do opposite operations, which means we have to divide by 1/3. Remember that when we divide by a fraction, we're actually multiplying by the reciprocal. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. We're going to multiply by 3/1. Multiply by 3/1. Which is really just 3. So on this side, this cancels out and we just get x by itself. And 15 times 3 is 45. So there are 45 words on the list.